Fine, this is problem number 28. Right? A 30 men can do a piece of work in 16 days. In how many days 8 men can do the same work? This is time and work problem, right? Time and work. Let us check out this. See, 30 men, right? 30 men can do a piece of work in 16 days, right? What we have to find? 8 men, the same work will take how many days? That is what we need to find out, right? We know the formula, that is M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. M1, that is men, D1 is days. Similarly, this we need to find out, right? M1 is 30, D1 is 16 is equal to M2 is 8 into D2, that is what we need to find out. Now D2 is equal to 30 into 16 divided by 8. So 8 ones are, this is 8 twos are, 32s are 60 days. So 8 men can take to do the same work in 60 days. The answer here is D.